Student of class 7. Today we will study English Literatures chapter number 10. Abraham Lincoln's letter to his son's headmaster. Abraham Lincoln, you know, that very famous American president, he has written a letter to his son's headmaster. Headmaster means like principal. Okay, so what we will study in this chapter. So get set, there is activity. In this modern age of email and text message, letters are rarely sent or received. But until some years ago, they were an important means of communication. There were some very famous letters written in the past. So at this time of modern age, you know that emails and text message, it's very fast, and mostly the people are using the people are sending email and letter and text message, not letters. Okay, but previous time, 10 years ago, more years ago, it is actually happening in our society, and mostly the people are writing letters to their relatives, to their anyone. Okay, so there are some letters written in the past. Now here in second para, the two noble person, the doyen of Indian literature Rabindranath Tagore and the great nationalist leader Mahatma Gandhi exchanged a series of letters. Both of them expressed their valuable ideas, thoughts on democracy, education, freedom in those letters. Now here you can understand there are two figures. Top figure of this one who's Rabindranath Tagore, and second one you know that Mahatma Gandhi. So they are the famous here written doyen of Indian literature Rabindranath Tagore, who has given more contribution on Indian literature, and the great nationalist leader Mahatma Gandhi, who has exchanged a series of letters on which subject, on they have expressed their feeling, ideas on democracy, on education and freedom in those letters. Okay, so here is the question: do you know any other famous names who used to exchange letters which have been compiled a book? Do you know any other famous persons who are exchanging letters and that now later it published a book? Do you know? Here one clue also given. One of them was awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature in 2001. This man was to write to his father. So now just try to get it out who is, and in front of the question write the answer. Okay, now read and enjoy. So what here to understand, we learn many things as we ahead in our life's journey. Parents always want their children to do well in life and to learn good values. They want the children to have the right perspective towards various aspects of life. Abraham Lincoln was the president of the US and also a concerned father. Read more about him, his views about real education. Okay, so let us start. Read and enjoy this one. A short description of the chapter. What is chapter name? Abraham Lincoln's letter to his son's headmaster. Now, the writer is saying we learn many things as we move ahead in our life's journey. We learn more things in our life. After passing of life, we are learning something. Okay, daily we are learning something. Okay, so parents they want what they want, that their children will do well in their real life, and what to learn good values. All the parents they are thinking that their children they will learn good values, good thought, good ideas, and they want the children to have the right perspective towards various aspects of life. And they want the parents they want that all the children means parents they want the children to have the right perspective towards various, not only in education, every part of life, every aspects of life, the children will learn good things, right things. Okay, so on the basis of it, Abraham Lincoln, the American president, who has also a concerned father, taking care father, okay, who who has written a letter to his son's headmaster. So read this story of more about and what is his use about the real education and what he has written the letter in it, okay, about real education. After studying this chapter, then we will understand, okay. So next page we will start tomorrow. Thanks.